Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you, and today I will be taking you through the top 5 gainers on a daily recap for Friday 23rd of July 2021. As usual, our starting equity is $10,000 and the share size is 3,000 and the commission per trade to be 3.95. Okay. Our profit target is 7% and our stop loss is at minus 3% from our entry. I ran the report already, the update, and you can see that for today, the 23rd of July, there are 24 opportunities. Out of these, 9 opportunities representing 37.5% are winning rate and profit of $3,785.70, assuming that a trader will be taking or entering all these opportunities, and this is not our intention here. Our intention is to show you the top 5 and to compare with our entries that we have done on the live trading, and to see whether we have done good entries and we got the best out of these opportunities showing on our Gulf screener. So let me take you through the opportunities that appear to us. First, we will start with the actual signals or entries that we entered during the trading with the subscribers. Okay, and we will arrange first. We'll arrange the entries here according to the timing and where they appeared. First one, UPC appeared to us, and UPC appeared to us at the beginning of the market, 9:30. So on the daily it has started opening upper than the previous day, Thursday, then it made the high, then it continued or it started going declining until it closed right on the top of the moving average, of the 50 days moving average. Okay, our entry at 9:30 was, as you can see, was not a successful entry, because this one is usually a losing traded and not an entry point. But see, when it appeared to us at the beginning, it appeared to us and it made high from here. So our intention was to take a quick one, and this is what had happened. But I never thought that it will immediately change direction and go down. We were lucky and fast enough to get into this trade and get our 7% in just about 2 minutes. Okay, so that was a successful trade. Next one was SPRT. Although SPRT has done great movement and gave many opportunities and gave many signals to enter, but when we entered we were not successful enough and we hit our stop loss. So there was 7% winning and one -3. So still we are positive 4. Next one was ACOR, and ACOR appeared at 9:34. We entered at 9:34. The signal, or it was appearing from the beginning when we entered at 9:34. It was showing on our screener here, on our signals. So 9:34 was here. Yeah. We saw it at 9:33, then we entered at 9:34, or maybe it was 9:33, but I reported it, or I captured here as 9:34. Bottom line is that our entry was a little bit early, and again we were lucky enough to run away, to escape. No, that hit also. We did not get our 7%. It went up the most important thing is to look at the entry. The entry was correct, but unfortunately it changed its direction after we entered, so we hit the 3%. And the 3% was at 5.71, which is this area. So we entered late, really, at 5.89, but unfortunately it did not. We were not lucky enough to reach to the top, so we lost our position. So that was +7 -3 -3, so we were left with 1%. But we entered with XBIO after that, and that was at 9:46. XBIO gave us in 10 minutes our 7%. So we ended up 8%, and then as a bonus I entered a couple of entries, and I made good, I think 3 or 4% additional to the 8%, to the 11. Then unfortunately I entered with IMH at 10.22, and IMH was a losing trade as well. So this is what had happened with us. We ended up with 8% winning, which is good, although the market was really giving enough opportunities, really. But yeah, this is what had happened. So at least it was a green day for us also in the wild Fridays, so that was good enough. Maybe we should have stopped earlier because of, you know, the nature of Fridays and how things could turn against you. Okay, let me take you quickly on the top 5 gainers. So the first one was EVLV, and it halted, I remember. So it gave you the signal in a perfectly in a well-placed position. Then it gave you immediately the exit on the same, no, not on the same candle, because it halted. Then it gave you your 7%, but that was a good one that we missed. Next is SGMA, and in 7 minutes SGMA gave us 7% in one candle. Then there were some difficulties down the road, so if you entered late here, maybe you will be a little bit trapped, or maybe even you will hit your stop loss also. But if we enter with this signal, we will be making the 7% in 7 minutes, or less than 10 minutes. Next is NUWE, and it made a sweet and nice 7% again in about 10-15 minutes, more than that a little bit, in within 3 candles. So it made it, and I think this is one of the trades that you need to trade manually. When you reach here, if you entered late, then you will be kind of couple of cents lower than your target, so maybe you will need to interfere manually and close the trade. So that's the use of the hotkeys and hot buttons that we have explained earlier, and you can refer to the video that we have done earlier about that matter. Okay. Next one is XTLB, and XTLB was crazy on yesterday, and you can see here after the consolidation, always we say after the consolidation comes always the good news. So here consolidation and lengthy one, then the entry. That was perfect one. And last one was the one that we talked about. And I hope that all made profit out of that, really. With this, I conclude my quick update, and there is nothing left for us on this week other than wishing you a very successful and pleasant weekend, and catch you on Monday on the live trading.